Today, we will be working on the domino waves experiment. Now, the whole point of the dominoes waves experiment is to look at the distance between the dominoes and how fast it actually takes them to fall. All right? The distance between the dominoes will relate to a state of matter. All right? To a state of matter. So right now, the dominoes have been spaced out to, let's see if you guys can see it from that way, write it this way, 3 centimeters apart. All right, so as our first trial, I am going to knock them over. 3, 2, 1. All right, knocking those over. If we actually review the footage, it took, let's just say, all right, about 1 second. All right, roughly 1 second. For the first trial, the dominoes were 3 centimeters apart. This time we'll try at 5 centimeters apart, all right? So we're actually making the distance between each of the dominoes greater. All right, so let's make sure this is nice and straight. Let's go ahead and knock these down now. Oh, had a misfire. Let's try it one more time to see if it works. Oh, look at that. It doesn't quite knock them all down. And the last trial, I have now moved the dominoes to 1.5 centimeters apart. So we did it once at 3 centimeters, once at 5 centimeters. Now we're gonna do it at 1.5 centimeters, so 1.5 centimeters, and we're using the exact same number of dominoes. So let's wait and see what happens. Okay, fell pretty quick there, probably a little less than a second.